So recently I got myself a couple of Apple AirTags just to track my personal belongings such as bags, wallet, and all those stuff you can track with this thing. And Apple has did a magnificent job at designing this AirTag. However, they made it particularly difficult to carry around. Of course, you can throw it inside a bag, but sometimes you just want to have it around, hanging it at the side of your bag or what. You have to purchase separately a holder, something like this, which you can put your AirTag in it, then you can strap it alongside with whatever bag you use. And even a keychain, this keychain ring, you can put it. But today what we have here is something rather unique from Pitaka. This is called the PitaTag for cable. And this is the first time I see something from a company that they managed to combine two products into a single item or make it actually useful. So the idea is very simple. Instead of just a standard AirTag holder like this that serves no other special purposes, they have combined this into a thing that comes with a cable for you. In case of emergencies, then you at least have a cable you can charge your phone. So out of the box, I don't think we got anything else apart from a thank you note at the back. Not gonna touch it. The thing is very simple, and it's quite surprising. The thing is quite bulky for a AirTag holder, because you can see this. A standard AirTag holder is like thin piece of plastic so that you can showcase your Apple logo as well as whatever laser engravement you got for AirTag. But sometimes you don't want to showcase your AirTag to anyone else, because this thing is supposed to be a discrete item tracker for you to put it, let's say if you want to hang it at the back, so no one would know this is a tracker. So what the Pitaka has done is they have this enclosure so that you can put your AirTag inside, but do keep in mind they also included this what do you call this, some sort of protector, because as you can see the enclosure is quite difficult for you to access once you put it inside. So they have included this piece of sticker or protector so that you can stick it to your AirTag. So let me just do it quickly here. So it is actually a sticker, something like this. You take it off, you can throw this away. And the instruction here told you to stick it to the metal part of your AirTag. So I have some level of OCD, so so I just want to make sure this thing aligns at least reasonably well. So once you stick it, now you can see there is this little pull tab for you to take it out in case you need to take it out from these enclosures. So what you do is by stuffing it in, now it sits firmly inside there already, so you can just fold this, put it back, and voila, it is done. And the cable here, I think this is about 10 to 15 centimeters of length, sufficient for you to charge your phone in case of emergencies. For example, plug it in, it's charging. So if you're not using it, you can it holds in place through these two pieces of magnets, and then it screws into the top here. So what you get is an AirTag with an emergency cable with you. So this is a very brilliant idea. And of course, when you want to hold this or hang this with your bag, you just have to loop it first to the bag, put in place, screw in. Here's the thing about, if you worry about the durability of this cable, because if you hang this outside of your bag, Accidents do happen. Sometimes you tangle it with something else if you're like going out from the door and then you hook to a door handle, right? So from what I can see, the cable feels pretty solid. They have braided finish on it. Feels kind of solid. But of course, I can't say this is 100% indestructible. There's no such thing. But at least they put some effort at trying to make it as durable as possible. And at least you know you have some sort of a backup cable with you all the time. Hopefully, you're not breaking it. And I think most of you guys would have take some sort of extra care, especially when your AirTag doesn't come cheap. It is about 100 ringgit in Malaysia, or in US, I think it is about $25 to $30 each. And yes, speaking of the price, the Pitaka PitaTag for cable is priced at 59 US dollar, Malaysia ringgit here. You're actually purchasing a holder that is more expensive than the AirTag itself, which you're trying to protect. But that is just normal thing, what we can see here right now. Especially Apple also do the same for their line of AirTag holders and everything else. Oh, before I forget, let's just quickly test it out, whether if it affects the detection and the sound. It doesn't affect much, so pretty good, because there's still some opening, because this leather piece is not like fully enclosed, so the sound is still able to pass through all those materials. So we did a quick test and to find out if the PitaTag actually affects the signal for the Bluetooth detection for the Find My function. Turns out it's not affecting anything by much, even though the sound did get muted by a bit because of the enclosure. But I guess that's the sacrifice you will have to make if you want to go for this kind of fully enclosed AirTag holder instead of these kind of open ones. And of course, there are pros and cons for this. Number one is the muted sound, but you can also protect the AirTag from those who are really aware, those thieves are aware of this kind of trackers, so they might take it off before you actually track down your items. This is more stealthy way to put your AirTag in instead of this one. And also, because of this kind of open AirTag holder is more prone to scratches and everything. As you can see, some of my existing AirTags has been badly scratched because of its open design. This kind you can sort of protect your AirTag from those kind of scratches. So for the price of 59 US dollar, sure, it is a steep price to pay for something, but given that you are getting 2-in-1 solution for this product, I think the price is well worth it, especially it is kind of protective for AirTag. So that's all I want to share with you about the Pitaka PitaTag for cable. And if you've got any questions about this particular product, or if you are currently using it, you can also share it down in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next video.